Very good morning, students. Welcome back to the income tax classes. So this is very important question uh, for the examination point of view. See, this is 80 and a section 80G deductions. See the question. It's very simple. Already we discussed the format in the first class of deductions, right? See the question. Mr. Varun furnishes the following information in respect of donations made by him in previous year 2018-19. Here only one thing first you need to understand. Here category A donations, category B donation and category C donations. You need to identify which are the items fall under category A, which are the items fall under category B, and which are the items fall under category C. Already we discussed that in the previous classes. See the transactions. First one, donation to Prime Minister National Relief Fund, rupees 2 lakhs. National Relief Fund nothing but it's a category A, right? Next, donation to National Defense Fund, it is category A, it is also category A. Next one, donation to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, it is also category A. Next one, donation to approved charitable, any charitable institutions, that is fall under category B. Next, donation given to poor student, that is also category B. Category B nothing but it's a fall under 50% deductions. Next one, rupees 1 lakh given to municipality for family planning. This is also fall under category B. So one thing you need to understand here, donation given to a poor student, so it fall under category B, but we will not consider. Why? Because it's the donation given to poor student for the education purpose, no, it we will not consider. And more important, it's not considered as a deduction, it's entirely exempted, no need to consider. Next one, is gross total income is rupees 15 lakhs. Compute deduction available for him under section 80G for the assessment year 1920. First year we need to calculate adjusted gross total income. Adjusted gross total income, how we will calculate? Gross total income, they will give 15 lakhs less long term capital. Any long term capital given, gains given? No. Any share of income from firm given here? No. All other deductions under section 80 except 80G. Any other deductions is given here? No. So let's adjusted gross total income is 15 lakhs. So if you deduct these three items, you will get adjusted gross total income. Luckily in this problem there is no like that transactions. See next one, qualifying amount of donation under section 80G. So total amount of donation paid under category A. So already I told, no, we need to analyze which is category A donations and which is category B donations. So category A donations, first one, donation to Prime Minister National Relief Fund, 2 lakhs. Next, second one, donation to National Defense Fund, 4 lakhs. Next, donation to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, 1 lakh. Total only that 3 is fallen to category A, no? Yes, only that 3. Next, category B, C, D categories. Add donation to approved charitable institution, 1 lakh, that is category B. Next, donation for family planning, that is also category B. You will get doubt here. Donation given to poor students, why you will not consider? It's compliment, no, just compliment, it's help given to the students, No need to consider this 40,000. Yes. First category A, if you total category A 7 lakhs you will get. If you total category B, you will get only 2 transactions to 2 lakhs. So or you need to consider 10% of adjusted gross total income. You need to compare these 2 lakhs and 1,50,000, which is that 1,50,000. So gross to adjusted gross total income 15 lakh. On that you need to calculate 10%. Why you need to calculate this 10%? It is a standard amount according to income tax rules. No need to assumption this 10%, right? It's a standard amount. So 15 lakhs into 10%, 1,50,000 you will get. If you can compare these two, 1,50,000 is less. So if you add 7 lakhs plus 1,50,000, you will get total qualifying amount 8,50,000. Are you getting? First you need to segregate category A and category B, C, D donations. You need to add to category B donation, category A plus category B donations. You will get total qualifying amount. So first step is calculation of adjusted gross total income. Second step is qualifying amount of donation under section 80G. Next, third step is deduction under section 80G. So as usual, 2 columns, particulars, amount. Total deductions of 100%. 100% deductions, how many transactions you have? Only 3, right? So donation to Prime Minister National Relief Fund, that is 100% deduction. Next, donation to National Relief Fund. Already I told you how you need to find 100% and 50% donations. So only you need to take 100% donations here. Next, donation for family planning. So this 100% also standard according to the format. No need to assumption. So next, if you take these 3 and add 50% of remaining qualifying amount. Remaining qualifying amount, how you will calculate? Total qualifying amount. How much is total qualifying? Already you calculated now. 8,50,000 is total qualifying amount. Next, minus 100% donations. How much is 100% donations? 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs plus 1 lakh. 7 lakhs, no? 8,50,000 minus 7 lakhs. So on that you need to calculate 50%. This 50% also standard, no need to assumption. Okay. So if you calculate 1,50,000 into 50%, you will get 75,000. So if you total all these donations, you will get total deductions under section 80G is rupees 7,75,000. Any doubts in this question? See, any doubts? Just you need to work out. Very simple. Already these 3 formats are explained in first class only. Just go through the formats if you have any doubts. No doubts, right? Just you need to be a workout. If you have any doubts, you can contact me.